The reason we chose Kenya is because historically, Kenya has been this hub, economic hub, and we've had a lot of events happening here. So we thought we will start with Kenya, but we had a really good representation of the whole East African region.
There's a very good appetite for light techs in East Africa to get acquainted with the software and the consoles that MA Lighting are working with and providing.
The market is at a place where they want quality, and they know that MA is good quality, and they want the best that is in the market.
I would say the greatest thing that comes out of this is collaboration, because right from MA being in the country to talk to us, it means they want to collaborate with us. So collaboration is the greatest thing that I have picked up in this.
There's a lot of need for collaboration between the local companies here when it comes to bigger shows.
The open day was very insightful. The need for collaboration really stood out from the interaction yesterday.
I've noticed so much growth, and I'm appreciative of that. And at times it feels as though the growth is slow, as though we have to be a bit preachy and, just sell the vision. It's all worth it.
We are discussing MA3 and how do we, bring it in, all that kind of stuff. And what was prevalent is that they can only bring it in if there's a need and a demand for it. And you as the technicians and the programmers have to create that demand.
It's really amazing that when I started, I didn't go through all the headache, because it's even a headache because I started using MA2, but then we also have a MA3, but it's for people who have been in the industry for long. And right now I'm using MA2, but I'm also trying to be familiar with MA3 too. It's I don't know much about it.
Okay.
Sasa hivi event planners wanajitahidi kuhakikisha kwamba event zao zinakuwa vizuri. Kwa hiyo kuna mpango wa awali, vifaa labda vinaanza kuingia site wakati gani, setup ifanyike katika siku ngapi, event iweje, na theme nzima ya event iko vipi. Kwa hivyo inarahisisha shughuli, kwa mfano ya upande wa taa, kwamba hata light engineer anakuwa anapata nafasi ya kuprogram vitu vyake vizuri, tofauti na awali kwamba ilikuwa unakuwa na siku mbili, pengine siku ya kwanza ni ya kufanya setup na siku ya pili ndio ya event. Kwa hiyo unakuta mtu light engineer anakosa ule muda wa kupangilia maybe colors, scenes na kadhalika.
Really looking forward to the training session and learning more and probably collaborating more with the people that were here, so that we can build greater shows.
We have Q1, which has nothing in it, 0. For each one of these recipe lines, you see there's dimmer. So there's dimmer, position, and color, correct? So you have basically three presets in one queue. So now if I go ahead and play back on this, you see they would technically come in the position. So I can basically give fade time, delay time to anything in this recipe line.
We yesterday teased a couple of the features, but now we have a packed room for our first Essentials course here today. Customers here are hungry for information, for education.
I think there's an eagerness to learn and an eagerness to get knowledge and be at par with the industry. So this is really helpful.
With the Essentials training, we've seen that there's a lot of users. We've had a good amount of users for 2 days who are transitioning from MA2 to MA3. And I've also noticed that while we were while we were doing the training and while they were also working on the console and getting their hands on it, they found it a lot more easy to work around with MA3, with basically a faster workflow, an easier workflow.
The classes on the 9th and the 10th, we have more numbers than we expected. We expected about 15 people per class. The current class right now has 27 people.
Today has been an amazing day. It has been a day full of lots of knowledge.
It is like a dream come true, and not just for me, for the teams that got an opportunity to attend.
This is the greatest experience I've had. Some of us were already planning to go to South Africa, but everything was brought closer here in our neighborhood in Kenya.
My experience in this training has been good, and it only needs a lot of practice to be better, and I'm grateful to the MA Lighting Company. Thank you very much.
Uganda is so privileged to be here in Kenya as a representative. So happy to join this class. Thank you so much, Amy.
It's been an amazing 2 days, and we're looking forward for more events and trainings in East Africa.
Yeah, I'm very thankful for being here, for all these insights. It's something, a new and exciting journey for us, and we definitely continue it.
When I think about our industry and the growth and the potential it has, for me, days like this are invaluable.
I feel like it's been a good day. It's been successful.
So I was very happy that we as MA could contribute to this, that we could bring everyone together in a room.
It has been quite an insightful and experiential event.